In the business information section, the company's legal business name, in our case, Widget Manufacturing LLC, appears automatically based on what you entered when creating the application. For the company's worldwide gross receipts in its most recently completed tax year, please select one of the three options. For this example, 2016 was the most recently completed tax year. This number can be found on the company's state tax return, or if you are a sole proprietor, your gross receipts will be listed on Schedule C of your federal tax return. Next, we have the Federal Employer Identification Number issued by the IRS, California Taxpayer ID Number, Secretary of State Entity Number for corporations and LLCs, and year that the business was established. If you are not sure about these identification numbers, you can leave the fields blank without impacting the evaluation of your application. Now we will enter in the primary place of business. If your company has multiple locations, this should be the main address of the company to which mail is sent or its corporate headquarters. For some businesses, this address may even be outside the state of California. Last, we have your company's primary NAICS code and project NAICS code. NAICS is the acronym for the North American Industry Classification System. It is used to track economic activity throughout the country. If you click on NAICS info, you can find your NAICS code by typing in keywords. For example, if the applicant owns a plumbing business, the applicant would type in plumbing into the box and choose code 238220 for plumbing contractors. In most cases, the primary NAICS code and the proposed project NAICS code will match, but let's go through an example of different codes. Using the plumbing business example, if the proposed project was to expand into a new line of business that will do electrical contracting, then we would enter in code 238210 as the proposed project NAICS code.